A year ago, I didn't know how to use AI. Didn't know what it was, didn't know how it worked, knew nothing about it. Today, I use it every single day. I use AI to make decisions on my farm, on my personal life, and it has really changed my life a lot. My name is Brad Kemp with Blue Nile Farm, and when I started AI, learned that it helps me solve real world problems and allows me to make quick and easy decisions. And that is what it's very beneficial for. So the topic that AI helps me out, probably one of the most on this farm that I use a lot, and I used it initially when I first started, is how to purchase tools that I need for my farm. And once I understood what I did on my farm, it helped me select certain tools. And why I use it versus just searching something on the internet, like say I want to buy a drill and just searching on the internet, the AI actually helps me in making certain decisions a lot quicker, a lot faster, and more efficiently than me searching. And it gathers all this information that I could spend hours searching and pull it all together within a few seconds, and it lays it out for me a lot quicker. So it gives me and it sells me on the equipment, what I should be aware of, what I should be concerned about, why I should buy certain pieces of equipment, why I should stay away from other pieces of equipment, and gives it to me quickly. And so it's an efficient way of really understanding what you're buying and why you should not buy certain things. That's really it in a nutshell. And it sometimes tells me where I should get it at a better price. And again, it all depends on the communication you and the AI have when you communicate. So the program I use the most is ChatGPT. That's the one I stick with, and I suggest that once you start utilizing an AI, you stick with the one that you like. I like ChatGPT because I use a lot of on my phone, and I take it with me all the time. But I can also utilize it on a computer or a notebook, and it works for me. So if you like to travel, you definitely want to get AI on your phone. The AI can show you all kinds of attractions, places to stay, places to eat, things to do in your geographical area. And I challenge you that if you want to play around with the AI to see what I'm talking about, whatever city you live in, start asking the AI questions about what's available in your area and see what it brings up. I think you'd be quite surprised at what's available in your area that may be of interest that you may want to check out. But it gives you an idea of what AI can do for you if you're traveling. And I'll tell you what, if I was traveling anywhere, I got to have the AI with me because it'll open up a lot of doors. Places you have to stay, places you want to eat, attractions you want to see. It's well worth the investment just to try it on that. So when it comes down to retirement, I had to ask the AI a lot of questions about different insurance policies. And I could go online and gather through my retirement um, different policies that are there, and they're all listed as bronze package, silver package, or gold packages, and they all had a certain price. And it talked about what your limits are. I wound up taking photographs of all these different policies, and I wind up sending them to the AI and let the AI look at them and tell me what is a good policy that fits my uh, health issues. So right now, I basically am in good health. I don't have any health issues. I'm only 61 years old here in a couple weeks, and so for 4 years, I won't get on Medicare until I'm 65. So I have to pick a policy that will fit for me to get some health care insurance. And I'm also very lucky that I get a stipend that I can apply to some of this health care. The issue is, what's the best policy that fits where I'm not losing my money? I let the AI look at a bunch of them, and it gave me what are better choices and which is a better one to go with based upon the stipend and my current health situation. And the AI helped me pick out one that works best for me. So that's what I'm going with. And I'm utilizing AI, and it sold me on what program to purchase and why. So it can help you pick healthcare insurance if that's your issue. And it can help you pick a lot of things that could be possibly confusing. All you have to do is introduce it to the AI and show it. And by taking a photograph of the policies, the AI can read the policy, tell you what's good and bad about it, and you can ask it all kinds of questions, and it can break it down for you. See, what's nice about AI in general is it allows you to take a document image and simplify something that's very confusing and break it down for you so you can easily understand. And that's where it helped me with the insurance. So those were a few ways that I utilize AI in my everyday life and around the farm, and they've been really beneficial to me. I'll have upcoming videos on other ways on how you can utilize AI and may benefit you directly. As far as learning AI, if you're new to AI, there's a video that's going to pop up on the screen, and it'll kind of take you to how to get started. It's not technological, it's real basic, and it'll get you going. So until you try it, you'll never know what it's like, and it's well worth the investment. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.